Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 2 hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we're on prompts 43 and 44. And they are living and unliving. So it could be anything. It's like she did a flower for the living and a pod for the unliving. But I decided to go Gothic. I love Gothic. I don't do a lot of Gothic, but I think it's got a beauty all of its own. So I'm going to go with the living and the unliving in this Gothic. And I'm just going to decorate some index cards and we'll just see what we get. I hope everybody's doing all right. I can't complain. I hope everybody had a great Memorial Day. I am going to cover my cards with book page to hide that background. So do that and I'll be back. Alright, I've got them collaged with book page and I've got them trimmed out. And now it's time to decorate. What do y'all think about Gothic? I know there's some people that love it and some people that don't. But I think it was, I blame Scooby-Doo. Because why not? I've always loved spooky. And ever since I've loved mysteries and I remember my mom used to read the have these books that always had the lady running from the house on the hill. So I don't know if that's part of why I'm drawn to it or what, but I just think it's cool. But I'm not normally a dark person. But we're gonna get this together and see if we can make it look pretty, because I think there's some I love red anyway, but I think it's just something about the color red and the black together. It just pulls me in. Let's see here. I don't know how I want this to go. I think something like that. I may want to do a Gothic journal. But first of all, I need to ink. And I think I'm going to ink with black soot. Okay, I've got everything inked with the black soot. And now it's just a matter of putting it down. I hope everybody had a great Memorial Day. I know I said that before. Ours was pretty good. My two sons and my husband were all off from work, which doesn't happen, especially on a holiday, because they all work in a grocery store. And it just, they don't get off like other people. So we grilled. We had burgers and hot dogs and all that good stuff. Baked beans, smoked sausages. Making myself hungry. Haven't had my breakfast yet. But it was nice having everybody at home. Like I said, that doesn't happen usually. When we are home, we're all so tired. My husband works, he goes in usually very late. I'm early in the morning, but late at night. He has to get up at 12:30, so I guess technically it's morning time. And I usually get up when he leaves, which is about 1:35, 1:40, something like that. It gets me helps me to get a lot done. Okay, I like it so far. I love her. I think she's beautiful. And I want to add these flowers. We've got one rose here and one here and then one here. And I think I may put the roses with a foam dot. I never think to do that. Alright. So, there we go. I probably should put 2, shouldn't I? I need to do something with her to make her stand out a little, not sure what. I want to say this kit came from Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah. I've had it, probably over a year. I thought it was very, very cool and pretty. All right. Now, get my Stabilo all and just kind of give her something to stand on. Sharpen it up, and I think I'm going to go around her so that she can kind of stand out from the background. Just a little bit. My water pen, and I'll go around that with my water brush just to there. I think that helps some. Since I started doing junk journaling, I've learned all of these new art things, like the Stabilo All pencil, which is a game changer. I love it. And I usually do splatters, but really there are splatters already. So I think I'm going to let it go without splatters. This is Living. Now let's move on. And I will put, I've got this book page that I'm going to use to back them. Alright, now let's see what we're going to do with this one. Turn him a little so he fits. I want rose, this rose. I think I like it like that. Now let me get it down before I forget. Now, these I will put pop dots on as well. Okay, now let's get this thing down. Something else I love that I don't do a lot of is steampunk. And I keep saying I'm going to make me a steampunk journal. Okay. Now let's see. All right. All right. Now I'll just go around him so he'll stand out. And I'm not sure if I want to go around the edges with black soot. I figure since I've done everything else I might, or go with walnut stain. But I think I'm going to do the black soot since I've edged everything else with it. Do we want a saying? Brooding revealed a deep soul. And this one, here we go. In the evening silence. Ooh. Now I'm just going to ink around them and I'm going to back them and I'll be back. Okay, here they are. I've got them inked up, I've got them backed, and I really love how they turned out. I hope you do as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too to see what everyone else has made. I really appreciate y'all, and I appreciate y'all joining me today. So until next time, bye y'all.